All right, I'm going to try one other thing too that I think that you'll like. We're going to try a collaborate session, and to access the collaborate sessions, we're going to go to EMS 130, which is your pharmacology class, and look on the left-hand side of your screen. If you scroll down, you will see collaborate sessions. Click on collaborate sessions. The first collaborate session I have scheduled for tomorrow morning, which is the 25th of March at 10 a.m. Now, this is not required, but this is something that would definitely be beneficial for you. This is granted the collaborate session works. I have this recurring starting at 10 a.m. every Wednesday. We can change the time if 10 a.m. on Wednesday doesn't work best for everybody in the class. We're normally in class on Wednesdays at that time anyway. So I thought it would be a good idea to have it then, but I know everybody's schedule has changed somewhat since we're not actually in class and people are working different schedules and so on and so forth. So we're to open the collaborate session, you'll simply click on the collaborate session. And there's several different collaborate sessions in here because I have it recurring. Again, we can change that time if we need to, but 15 minutes prior to the collaborate session beginning, you will have access to it. So this is scheduled to begin at 10 a.m. So you should have access to this at 9:45 tomorrow morning, and you should be able to log in, or not log in, but show yourself on your webcam and or just call in by phone if you want. There's a phone number in here that has you anonymous essentially when you call in, but we should be able to all communicate kind of like we're in class. And there's a feature to where we can look at a whiteboard, and I can share PowerPoints or whatever it is that we need to if there are questions. But we can use this time just as a chance to communicate with each other, make sure that we're all on the same page. If you do have any questions that weren't answered in the videos, then ask those questions at that point. Everybody has the opportunity to listen to the answer. So if you have questions on how to do this, or if you have issues, let me know and I'll try my best to walk you through it. Thanks a lot.